Hello everyone and welcome back to our excavator series, and in today's video I'm going to take you through a full walkthrough of our 8-ton excavator here at WHC Hire. The machine we're looking at today is a Kubota KX085-5 and you'll find everything you need to know about this machine in this video, so let's get started. Before we jump into the cab, there's just a couple of features you might want to know about the machine. So we've got our main cabin, we've got two different service bonnets, one on the rear just here and one here on the side of the excavator. Now we've covered the basic components of the excavator, we're going to jump into the cabin and I'm going to help you familiarise yourself with your surroundings of this 8-ton excavator. Just remember, when entering or exiting the machine, we use 3 points of contact at all times. Okay, welcome to your 8-ton excavator cabin. First thing when we get into the machine is we're going to pull out our seat belt, which you're going to find on the left-hand side of the left-hand pilot control, and it secures on the right-hand side of the seat. Now you're secured, let's go over your surroundings, okay? To start with, we'll go over the left-hand pilot control. Pulling the controls towards you will bring the arm closer to the machine, closer to the boom. Pushing it away will extend the arm further away from the excavator. Choosing 9 o'clock on the pilot control will swing the excavator to the left, and 3 o'clock towards you will swing the excavator back to the right. And also on this pilot control, you've got your operation toggle switch for your auxiliary 2. Then over to the right hand pilot control. If we pull this one towards us, it's going to lift the boom upwards closer to the machine. If we push it forward, it's going to lower the boom down closer to the ground. This pilot control also controls the curling and uncurling of the bucket. To curl the bucket towards you, you choose 9 o'clock, and to uncurl it is 3 o'clock. Also on this pilot control at the top, you've got your auxiliary 1 toggle switch, your horn, and also your auxiliary selection button as well. Now that's the pilot controls. Let's have a little look at what else we've got in front of us. Right in front of you, you've got your track levers that can be controlled with your hands, or also on this machine, you can control it with your feet. Then on the right hand side, we've got our boom slew. Just lift up your pedal and you can slew the boom either left or right, enabling you to work closer up against obstacles. Then on the right, we've got our 7-inch LCD screen, which houses our onboard computer. Below that, we've got a 12-volt socket and also a USB charging port, storage for your phone. And then when we come back up, we've got our main controls for our onboard computer and for the excavator. First, we've got our toggle switch, which helps us navigate around the onboard computer, a back button and also a menu button, and then our main operational buttons. On our keypad, we've got our headlights, our auto stop start, our windscreen wipers and windscreen sprinklers, our beacon lights, our lifting warning lights, and our reverse camera. Behind that, we've got our Dozer Blade control. Pulling it back towards you will raise the Dozer Blade from the floor. Pushing it forward will lower the Dozer Blade down to the ground. This Kubota excavator also offers float mode on your Dozer Blade, and to engage this, push your Dozer Blade all the way forward till it locks into position. Here your dozer will follow the contours of the ground to help you backfill quicker. On top of your Dozer Blade, you're going to find a green button, which is your fast track button for the excavator. Behind the Dozer Blade, we've got our heater, our air conditioning, our fan, our throttle, our quick hitch button, and also a DPF button. And then just next to your throttle, you've got the ignition for the machine. Right behind this whole control panel, we've also got an onboard radio for operators' comfort. Just to finish up, we've got our reservoir for our windscreen wash, which is on the back left-hand side. And down by your feet, you've got your circulatory system and also your kill switch for the machine. And there you go everyone, that is a full handover of our 8-ton excavator from WHC Hire. Now if you come into any more problems, feel free to contact your local depot as soon as possible, or check out our full resource playlist on YouTube or on our website. Thank you so much for joining me in this video, and until the next one, take care, bye bye for now.